that's why I don't mind your opinion. Should I been popping it from criticism than you ever can from praise. When you hear somebody say, when they like, yo, you good. What do you learn from that?
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. So I think that plays into.
I control the city. Once I leave you alone and I'm over it. Had to switch up the brain, need another print. Verbal limits like us, they do not exist. Mike Jack, James Brown, and a bit of Prince. Gotta pierce a whole eye and get a kiss. Anything that I do is not bottomless. And the top, you don't know what the bottom is. Yeah, I know what the motto is. Seafood, eat food, what the problem is. Be mode.